Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Jules and this is DIY with Jules. In today's project you will see how I made this beautiful glam bohemian table. You're going to be using products from the Dollar Tree. I used 2 of these serving trays. I made sure that they were lined up and I glued them both together. I added some weights to the top and made sure that there was absolutely no air in between. I used clips and added extra glue to the sides, to the edges, and then I clipped them together, added extra weight on top and let them dry. Now while our tabletop is drying, we will be going outside and we will be painting 2 of those Dollar Tree baskets and a toy elephant in a rose gold. I'm using this elephant as a marker just to mark where I am going to be gluing the painted elephant, because I want to put glitter all over the bottom and I'm using Mod Podge. So I don't want the Mod Podge underneath the elephant's legs so that it can have a good hold with the Gorilla Glue. Once I put the glitter all over the Mod Podge, and by the way, this Mod Podge is dishwasher safe, which means if it gets wet, it's not going to fall apart on you. So I'm putting it over the top of the glitter also. And to connect my 2 plates, I just used zip ties. I put enough all the way around so that it can give it a good hold. And once they were in, I ended up putting my plates, one on the bottom and one on the top, and then I squeezed the midsection just to give my table a pretty silhouette and also to hold the plates in so that they won't fall out. I had some leftover Walmart gems which are holographic and they match the glitter that I am using, and decided to make a very simple design. I went around the plate in the center and I added some of the smaller gems on the outer part, and I added glitter to all the sections that didn't have the gems. I used the extra Mod Podge and glitter and I painted around the bottom or the base of the table, and I glued the top of the table with Gorilla Glue. The next day I flipped it upside down and I added hot glue just to reinforce. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I'm so happy you stopped by. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Now for the embellishment on the middle to cover up all of the zip ties, I decided on this flower gem wrap, and also I did some diamonds all the way around, and the color matches the glitter. And to cover up where the 2 plates connected for the top of the table, I just used the mirror and bling wrap. We're going to be using this Envirotech resin that I found at the Goodwill. It's only 8 ounces, so I'm hoping that it's going to be enough to at least cover my gems. Mixture calls for even amounts, so that means that you would have to take the hardener in 1 cup and the same amount of the resin on another cup, and then mix them together in a 3rd cup and mix for 2 minutes and pour immediately. Okay, so this is what it looked like after I poured the resin, and now I'm going to use the heat gun to manipulate it so that it can cover all of the gems. I'm going to move it around so that it can actually touch all of the sections of the table. Even if it doesn't fill completely, it at least has a little bit of resin on it. So this is the end result and it's absolutely beautiful. I love the way the resin makes the glitter and the gems pop. The glitter is just so blingy, and with the flower mesh design on the bottom and the elephant, it makes it look like a beautiful bohemian table. I love the way it looks, and I'm hoping that you love it too. Please leave me a message down below. Let me know what you think about it. Guys, like I said before, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and please be safe. Wear your mask, wear your gloves when needed. Have a good day. Bye-bye.